was probability and statistic. Our research question is how many cigarettes do you smoke in a day? And we prepared the questionnaire. 84 people answered our questionnaire, and our main category was gender. 42 female answered our questionnaire, and 42 male answered our questionnaire. And for the sample mean, we used this formulation, and we found these values.
And I will continue from the variance. Let me briefly talk about what is variance. The variance is the mean of the square of the differences from the mean, also known as the standard deviation. And simply put, the variance is a statistical measure of how spread out the data points are within a sample or data sheet. In this part of the project, variance values for each category, like female and male, calculated according to this formulation, and we get the results. We assign the steps according to these, and we find the values for Yasin and Yusuf will continue from there.
We will take steps from here. T-interval. T-interval is good for situations when the sample size is small and population size deviation is unknown. When the sample size becomes small, like less than 30, the interval calculated confidence interval becomes less reliable. And because of that, we are using T-interval. With T-interval, we need to find some confidence level, mostly using 95% and 99%. My friend Yasin will continue from here.
We made the following calculations using the T-interval formula. We used the table to find the T-value interval formula. We made the following calculation using the T-integral formula. Statistic is the mean, standard error of statistic, standard deviation over in root n. We found the parameter values by making separate calculations for women and men. We used the table. We used the table to find the t-value in the t-integral formula.
Our friends will continue from here.
Today I will talk about the statistical significance and checking normality of these data. In this graph, this blue line shows the normal distribution, and the blue bands shows our data distribution. At first, we checked the normality check was applied these histogram plots, and following test was chosen according to these normality check results. For the women's results, the histogram plot came out like this, and the p-value is very small. It is smaller than 0.05, so it shows this distribution is not normal. For the men's result, it is also smaller than 0.05, and this is also not normal.
We use the Kruskal-Wallis test, and as Samet says, since there was no normal distribution, we use the Kruskal-Wallis test, and we compared the two categories, which are female and male. And in shortly, Kruskal-Wallis is a non-parametrical test used to test equality of population variance between independent groups. And here, as you can see, we use also the QQ pilot. And here, as you can see, this is the result of the QQ pilot. And we use QQ pilot for normality and statistical test. Thank you for listening to us.